Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant for your headphones REALME T310. You have to start by opening the application. Now click on your headphones and scroll down here. Click on button settings. And now you should decide you wanna use the left one or right one earbud. I prefer left one, but it's the same for the right one. Now, then you should decide you want to use double press, triple press or press and hold. I'm going to use press and hold, but it's the same for the double tap or triple tap. The same. So, click on it. And right here I have voice assistant. Click here. And now, if I press and hold on my left earbud, I will call Google Assistant. So let's check it. Press and hold. And as you can see, Google Assistant is awake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!